Hello all. Today's topic is body fluid and its significance in diagnosis. So body fluids are the one that are present inside the body and that which can be excreted outside the body as well. So these body fluids are present inside the body, and body fluid are the one they function in order to keep the body uh, in order to keep the human body and maintain its part. And this body fluid can be a blood serum consists of the blood cells, hormones, and various kind of nutrients, and uh, many other kind of elements as well. And then there can be a urine and cerebrospinal fluid, pericardial fluid, and also saliva, and then there is brain or spinal fluid, and intestinal fluid, etc. There are different types of body fluids. These body fluids are very important in diagnosis because this body fluid are called as a diagnostic marker, because this body fluid helps to identify any diseases or disorder, and also helps to prognosis of these diseases, or also diagnosis of these diseases. They indicate any problem early. So these body fluids are examined for any infection, inflammation, any bacterial infection as well. So these body fluids are very important in diagnosis. Any physiological or pathological changes or condition is indicated by change in the concentration of certain biochemicals in this body fluid. Therefore diagnosis of body fluids is important, and this also helps in early recognition of any underlying conditions or diseases. And early recognition of this condition during the course of sickness that provide information about how particular treatment is working on the body fluid. And this sickness can be endogenous or exogenous as well. So this body fluid can be this body fluid or samples are extracted from the body or from the body cavity by using needles or syringe, and also by collecting them into the container, and then it is examined. So blood and urine are two most commonly used body fluids in the diagnosis of particular conditions. So conditions. So once the sample has collected, various testing such as chemical checks and microscopic testing, infectious disease testing can be carried out. So there are different testing of the body fluid. So very first is urinary test, your urine analysis. So urine analysis, in this urine is a body fluid that is used. This urine analysis help us to treat a variety of conditions such as kidney related problem or kidney diseases, diabetes, urinary tract infection, and any sickness related to the urine. So urine analysis may suggest a specific disease as well or sickness, and call for more testing if there is any sicknesses. Then comes in semen analysis. So semen analysis, this test usually carried out to check the reproductive health of the male, or also the sperm count of that particular person. Then fetal fibronectin, it is FFN test, it is done on a pregnant woman. So if there is any chances of if woman is in her 24th to 26th to 34th week of pregnancy, and if it is show any signs of approaching a labor, so if there is any danger to the baby the one danger to the baby, or if there is any action that need to be taken to avoid the preterm baby. So to know this body fluid test is performed. Then blood analysis is done to check the concentration of hemoglobin, to check the count of RBCs, WBCs, platelets, etc. And then CSF analysis, that is cerebrospinal fluid analysis. It is present in the brain. This cerebrospinal fluid analysis help to identify conditions that affect the central nervous system and also brain, such as this conditions can be infection, malignancy, or bleeding in the brain or the skull. So therefore the cerebrospinal fluid analysis is carried out. Then synovial fluid analysis of synovial fluid is utilized to identify swelling in the joint, or if there is any infection or discomfort in the joint or inflammation. And then comes up pleural fluid analysis, so that this test is help to identify the origin of pleural inflammation, and also fluid buildup in the pleural space, or if there is any potential cancer. And then after pleural fluid analysis, there is pericardial fluid analysis. So it helps to identify the origin of fluid buildup around the heart, or sampling this pericardial fluid alone for study is unusual. So the fluid from this pericardial tamponade that is collected for therapeutic identification purpose, that is usually sent for analysis. And particularly if there is bacteria or cancerous etiologies understand, or if it is under investigation. And then if there is any growth that is unknown, then this testing is done. Then comes a peritoneal fluid. So if there is any buildup of this peritoneal fluid and peritonitis is there, so this helps to understand this condition. So fluids are important body parts, and it helps to understand any diseases, and also it helps for early diagnosis as well. So body fluid play a very important role in the body of human. Thank you.